Cancel your allergies, not that musty Airbnb. Ski well tomorrow, sleep well tonight by doing this. Human beings have a nasal cycle. That's periods of alternating congestion about 10 times a day. Here's my theory. If you optimize your nasal cycle and become completely congested on one side all of the time, that's when you repair yourself faster than you can damage yourself. For me, that ended a lifetime of allergies. Let's reboot your nasal cycle right now with a fake sneeze. First of all, I'm going to see which side's more open. This side's a little more open, so I'm going to fake it through this side. Now, if you did that, that could have reboot your nasal cycle for life, and you've cured your allergies. In practice, it's almost that easy to crash your nasal cycle and not get that deep repair. But as soon as you recognize you have a nasal cycle and it's that easy to reboot it, it made a world of difference for me. Now, we're going to test. I can breathe through that side. This side's totally shut down. Now, once again, if you get that going, I think that you'll sleep really well tonight and you'll ski really well tomorrow, but probably not as well as I do, but you can try.